learn the letter R with me. Say it with me. R. And the sound of letter R is R. Say it with me. R. R. We are going to learn how to write uppercase R and lowercase r within the 4 lines. And we are going to focus on their sound, that is R. It's vocabulary time. So let's find out the words that start with the sound R. The first word is rabbit. Say it with me. Rabbit. Can you hop like a rabbit? That's nice. The next one is red. Red is a color. Red. Rain. Rain. I love to go out in the rain. Rain. Rainbow. Say it with me. Rainbow. Robot. Robot. Have you ever seen a robot? I have never seen it. Robot. Let's find out how to write uppercase R and lowercase r within the 4 lines. For this, you need your English exercise book, pencil and eraser. Be ready with them. Let's find out how to write it first. Go down, make a round, and a line on the right. This is how we can write uppercase R. For lowercase r, you are going to make a small line. Make a line and then go up and make a wave like this. So this is how we can write uppercase R and lowercase r. Let's write upper and lowercase r along with me. I hope you all are ready with your English exercise books, pencil and eraser. Let's try to write with me. Go on top. Make a straight line by going down. Now go back on top. Make a curve from there and make a line on the right. This is how we can write uppercase R. Let's try to write it again. Go on top. Go down. Make a straight line. Go back on top, make a curve, and then a line on the right. Let's write it again. Go back on top, make a straight line. Now go back on top, make a curve, and a line on the right. That's nice. Now let's try to write lowercase r. To write lowercase r, we are going to make a straight line within the middle 2 lines. Make a straight line. Now from the bottom, go up and make a curve. Now let's write it again. Make a straight line in the middle 2 lines. Now go back, go up, make a wave like this. Let's try it again. Make a straight line. Now from the bottom, go up and make a wave like this. This is how we can write lowercase r. Do more practice of writing uppercase and lowercase r. It's time to find out some things that start with the sound R. Which of these things start with the sound R? Is it rice or bread? Rice or bread? That's right. Rice starts with the sound R. Let's check out the next one. Is it a cat or a rat? Cat, rat. That's right. Rat starts with the sound R. Is it the king or a ring? King or ring? Yes, ring starts with the sound R. Is it rose or sunflower? Rose or sunflower? Rose start with the sound R. Well done. Is it locket or rocket? Locket or rocket? Rocket. Rocket start with the sound R. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will see you again with another letter. Bye bye.